Hello guys, let's speak about something. I posted a video in Haitian Creole, but I want to be able to communicate with everyone, because this is a message I think all of us we need to be aware that life is very spiritual. So over 50 children die, I think yesterday, it was yesterday, or the 11th, I think, or 12th in Haiti. And people thought that they passed away is the fact that they were immature. They went to the most protected monument and a respectful monument, we're gonna say, not only in Haiti but in the black countries. And this is a monument that was built, only 100 people built this monument after the Haitian Revolution. If you learn about the Haitian Revolution, you understand it's a very spiritual revolution. So I visited this monument and it's a little bit scary, to be honest with you. But I am someone who is fearless, and I had a guide who is very knowledgeable with me, so he gave me enough insurance. This monument was built with stone, and when you go to this monument, when you arrive in this monument, you feel like there's smoke when you're looking down. And Haiti is a tropical country. It's an island, so to tell you, it's very hot. We're not living in we don't have winter, but the place is just to tell you how high the place is. And it's surreal. I can't even express it. It's very surreal to see the history. When the man was telling me the history and he proving everything to me, everything he was saying, he proved them to me. And he is telling me, and he give before we enter the monument, he told us to be quiet, to not be too loud, and the door that we're gonna enter, we're not gonna be able to come out the same door. And and it's just, even the bathroom the King Henri Christophe used to use is still there, but the bathroom is all the way down. If you fall in this bathroom, you're gonna die. And there's an air coming inside of the bathroom. If you sit on it, I sat on it, and you feel the air. I can't express it. After I visited